with each and other. Sound is all around us, from the ringing of a telephone to the sound of someone's heartbeat. Sound gives us information about what is happening inside and outside of our bodies. Sound travels in the form of waves. Sound travels in the form of waves. See here friends, it's a longitudinal wave. And then see here friends, this is vibration. We have studied about vibration. Is it true friends? We have studied about vibration. And here in this picture we can see that a boy is digging a bowel, which can be seen a boy, his body is going to vibrate. And this is vibrating body produces sound. And here a toy is ringing a bell. I love cartoons friends, that is why I kept this one. And here we saw a flute, and we have also saw a flute which have air columns. So friends, see here friends, in this flute we have seen air columns. These air columns are the vibrating part in this flute. Is it true friends? Yes, this one, these are the vibrating part of this flute. Yes friends. So which is the vibrating part in drums? Yes. Which is the vibrating part? Which is the vibrating part?
Hello.
In drums.
Hello.
Which is the vibrating part in drums?
This is Ram.
Yes, the membrane.
From Hyderabad Nalgonda district.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Okay, I have one doubt, sir.
Hello, Svero. What's your name, Svero?
I am Sean, sir.
What's your name, Svero?
I am Sean, sir. I am from Hyderabad Nalgonda district.
Okay, Svero. What's your question? What's your
Okay,
question?
please define sound.
What, Svero? Can you repeat it, please?
Can you explain about sound?
Yes, I can, friend. Sound is an unavoidable and integral part in our lives. It plays an important role. I am communicating. It's an important role, right, friends? Yes, sound helps us to easily communicate with each and other. Is it, friends? So, it's a physical phenomenon. Is it biological phenomenon? No, we are making sound. So, it's a physical phenomenon which stimulates the sense of hearing. Is it, friends? Sound is all around us. It is all around us. We are exposed to different sounds. Is it, friends? Yes, we are exposed to different sounds in our daily life. If you are silent, we can't say there is no sound. We can hear this traffic sound and the bird sound and animals and etc. in our daily life. Are you clear with my topic, my friend? Okay, and then I asked you a question, right? So, in drums, in some tabla, and what is the vibrating part of it? Yes, the vibrating part of that is the membrane. Is it, friends? Yes, the vibrating part of that musical instruments is, yes, the membrane. And in some, say here friends, in some violin and guitar, in that one, which is the vibrating part? Which one is the vibrating part? Yes, the vibrating part of it is, yes, it's a strings. We have seen some strings, right? So, those are the vibrating part in guitar and in violin. Are you clear with my point, friends? So, see friends, here we have studied about the to and fro motion of an object is termed as vibration. The to and fro motion of an object is termed as vibration. And see here friends, we have studied about the movement of vocal cord during speech, and sound is a term of energy. Movement of vocal cord during speech and sound is a term of energy. And see here friends, energy in sound. And this is, you can say, here is a sound recorder, sound speaker. So, and the next one is we have studied about larynx, right friends? And in that one we have studied about different parts, and in larynx there are three segments. In the larynx there are three segments. In this picture we have studied about larynx are three segments. The one is nasopharynx. The one is nasopharynx. The second one is oropharynx, and the third one is laryngopharynx. And we have studied about epiglottis, and the next one is vocal cord. We have studied about vocal cord, and we have studied about larynx and trachea. It's also called as, yes, you're brilliant, you're great. And trachea is also called as windpipe. And the last one is esophagus. Esophagus is also called as, yes, it's a food pipe, which from that foods and liquids and saliva passes through that. Is it, friends? Yes, we have studied about larynx. And see here, friends, larynx is important organ. Hello? Hello? Hello, what's your name, Sparrow?
Hello.
Hello, what's your name, Sparrow?
Hi, Sparrow.
Hi.
I am T. Navya Sree from Hyderabad Dist, Nalgonda district.
Yes, and what's your doubt, Sparrow?
I have one doubt, Sparrow.
What's that?
Do sound travel if there is no vacuum?
What, friend? Can you repeat it again?
Do sound travel if there is no medium?
Oh, that's the question, right? So I'll tell you, friend. Sound travel in medium. Yes, friends, sound travel in medium means sound can travel in solids, in liquids, and in air also. Sound travel fastest in metals and in solid. But sound can't travel in vacuum. Is it, friends? See, friends, I'll tell you an example. If there is any explosion in any other planets, can we hear the sound? No, we can't hear. Is it, friends? Yes, we can't hear. Why? Because there is vacuum, there is nothing. Is it, friends? Because there is vacuum, so vacuum means it's empty, there is no nothing. So we can't hear this explosions which is occurred at the outside out of the planet. Okay, are you clear with my topic, friends? Is your doubt clear? Yes. See here, friends, we have studied about anatomy of larynx, and that is nasopharynx, oropharynx, epiglottis, laryngopharynx, and trachea and esophagus, and we have learnt about movement of vocal cord during speech, and the muscular ligaments at the end of windpipe is called vocal cords. The muscular ligaments at the end of windpipe is called vocal cord, and vocal cords open during breathing to allow air into lungs, and vocal cord close when we speak. The air from the lungs presses them to cause vibration and produce sound. And this is a picture of vocal cord. And see here, friends, we have studied about decibel, right? We have studied about decibel. Decibel is a unit for measuring the intensity of sound. Decibel is a unit for measuring the intensity of sound. It is denoted as, yes, it is denoted as dB. And here is a in this meter we can measure the decibel. See here, friends, and then the unit expressed as decibel in the name of Alexander Graham Bell. The unit expressed as decibel in the name of Alexander Graham Bell, whose research is famous in sound. And we have studied about total silence, a whisper, and how much decibel will be in whisper and normal conversation, and its horns, and in car horn how much the decibel will be, and we have learnt about that, and a jet engine, and lastly a gunshot. Is it, friends? Yes. And we, here is the famous scientist, that is Alexander Graham Bell, who is an international famous scientist with his research like telephones and phonograph and etc. And here, see here friends, you have to refer in these books in your library, okay friends, so that you can know more about sound, okay friends. You have to refer in this book so that you can know more information about sound waves and vibration and all about that, and the physics of sound and world of science. In this book you have to refer in your library. Are you clear friends? Yes. So friends, you have learned about sound. And what is sound? Yes, it's a physical phenomenon, that's not a biological phenomenon. And what is that? What's next? Yes, vibration, the to and fro motion of an object, which is called as vibration. And the next one is, yes, you have studied about vibrating body produces sound. And the next one is sound has energy by doing an activity. And the next one is vocal cord. You have studied about vocal cord, which is which has a two muscular and folded ligaments. And the next one is decibel. It's a unit for measuring the sound. Decibel is unit for measuring the sound. It is denoted as dB. It is denoted as dB. And the next one is waves. We learnt about longitudinal wave and transversal wave, and we shall study about longitudinal wave and transversal wave clearly in the next class. Are you clear with my point friends? And friends, see here, today's your homework is think some other activities to prove that vibrating body produces sound. Think some other activities to prove that vibrating body produces sound. Do any activity to prove sound has energy. Do any activity to prove that sound has energy. And write some examples of vibration. Okay friends? Write some examples of vibration. See here friends, I have a scale. So is it vibrate? It's an iron scale, right friends? So here, when we hold it and do like this, we can see here vibration, right friends? Right? Here friends, we can see some vibration, right? The scale is vibrating. So like this, you have to do some other, you have to write some other examples of vibration. Here is some other examples of vibration. Drums, the membrane will be vibrated, and the guitar, the strings will be vibrated. And then friends, this is about my topic. And lastly, I would like to conclude that I am so thankful to our secretary sir who has given a wonderful opportunity, and I am thankful to our madam, that is Sujata ma'am and Pragati ma'am, who had helped me. Though they are sick, they helped me a lot. And I like to thankful to our friends who had helped me in doing so and so activities. And I like to thank to our principal ma'am, Vijayalakshmi ma'am, who had encouraged me in doing so and so. So, and thank you for giving me this a golden opportunity.